Beware of legalism disguised as holiness. The Pharisees were religious but not relational. And Jesus, he called them out like a true spiritual savage. These people honor me with their lips, but their hearts are far from me. Matthew 15, verse 8. Mga classmates, let's be careful not to become the type of Christians who look spiritual on Sunday but cancel people on Monday and do a lot of things that is against the Lord every day afterwards. We say we follow Jesus but only when it fits our lifestyle. We obey unless it is inconvenient. Mga classmates, the greatest enemy of truth is not only lying, it's the half-truths we live comfortably with.